Hello everyone, just arrived at Jovelar, one of my favorite town, municipality in the Philippines. I will write in description because today I will not go there because it's already I think 5:30. The video I did with a beautiful river had already 3,000 views. Very beautiful. It's the most beautiful river in the Philippines. Yes. It's 32 kilometers from Legazpi city. So I come here to enjoy nature. Look the sun. River. Yeah. So I will explore a little. I will explore there. I was never. I want to see. But it's pity I'm late today because of many things to do. You know, I live alone. I have work. So let's go. First time here. I'm in far in Jovelar because usually when I was here with my friend only to the river. Yeah, now it's become dark. It was sunny all day. Yeah, because I spoken with people Mania, they say it's raining there. Come here, many sun. It was sunny all day. That's why also I don't go in the day because it's too hot for me and my skin. And people say, oh, you have a little pain your legs. Look, I will show you. Look, you see? Yeah, it's not little. I don't put something there. I just wash 3-4 times a day because when I put something after it's pain when you take shower to put out. So let's continue explore. My dream is not this house. This house is old and not beautiful. But my dream have a house like that and place like that with all palm, cheap place, nice alley. Yeah, my dream. Maybe one day. Yeah, I love this place. So cute. People so friendly. You know, when I was Jovelar, because I follow Google, I was in bad way. I was, you know, this scooter. It's for street. It's not for off-road. And I was off-road, and you know, I'm like stuck. And Filipino, they was 100, 200 meters far than sea. And they come to me and they help too. Yes. You cannot expect that in USA. Yes. When you're up. You know, let me tell a story. You know, I'm Belgian guy. When I was 20 years old, I was in Germany. German people are very racist. You know, they killed 4 million Belgians in Second War and 40 million people over the world. They very racist, I know, because I was more than 200 times Germany for shopping because life is cheaper than Belgium and I live 50 kilometers from there, so always going there. And many foreigners, I speak Russian people, Ukrainian people, all they was live in Germany. They say German people racist. Yes, and after they return in Ukraine or in Russia, because they say because of racism of German people. But about my story, I was in bike when I was 20 years old. I like to travel everywhere with my bike. And I go in Germany. I was 65 kilometers from my home. And I fall down. I was like you see now, blood, very pain. And I was in big city in Germany, Aachen. And you know what? I was shocked. I was down. And people continue to walk. Not stop, no look me. Like if I was a dog. I was shocked. Because they see I'm not German. Because German people, I tell you, they are very racist. Very racist. Most of them, I will not say 100%, but most of German people are racist. Yes. It's still in the gene. Hitler is died, but it's still in the gene and German people, the racism. And about this story, I work in Belgium with my bike. No wheel because the wheel was broken. And you know the border Belgium not too far. And I did that. You know, in Europe, all people, they stop when you're doing that. Auto stop. In Philippines, I think there is no auto stop. I never saw that. No German people stopping. And the first guy stopped the first car. It was Belgian car. I don't say that because I'm Belgian, but Belgian people are very good. You cannot complain about Belgian people. I never heard bad thing about Belgian people abroad. We have bad people also in Belgium, but it's very little, maybe 10%, you know. So that's why I want to speak about this history, because you know, it's happened me often when always Filipino want to help me. When I'm stop one place, sir, are you lost? Can you help me? Can you expect that in USA and Germany? No, they will try to rob your iPhone. Yeah, here people very friendly. You know, look, I leave my car on my scooter. I going there. Was people motorbike they saw? They was two? Do you think they stop, wanna take the bike and run? No. But in Europe they will stolen many times. People leave the car, they go home. Up. Yeah, many times. Here not. Filipino very good people. I visit more than 40 countries. And Filipino and Belgian people are the most good people in the world. Yes. And I don't say Belgian because I'm Belgian. All people, American star, French star, Asian star, when they coming in Belgium, they all say the Belgian public, when we do concert like that, is our favorite because they are so good, so friendly, so dynamic. So let's continue explore. Now it's become night. Beautiful sunset. The forest is so big. I will come back because now it's dark, you know, in Provence, no light. Here in my camera you cannot see. But tomorrow I will get a iPhone 15 Pro. So in the evening record will be better. But I will come back in the day. I don't know. Tomorrow I think I cannot because I don't know how much they will take in shop iPhone. Because also they will buy my phone, my iPad, they must test. So I love Provence, so beautiful here. I'm still in Jovelar. Here is the church.
Santa Maria, Ina ni Diyos, sa mga makasaanan, ipamiti mo kami ngunyan sagpod sa paghingag na niya mo. Amen. Santa Maria, Ina ni Diyos, sa mga makasaanan, ipamiti mo kami ngunyan sagpod sa paghingag na niya mo. Amen. Kumawon, Santa Maria, Ina ni Diyos, sa mga makasaanan, ipamiti mo kami ngunyan sagpod.
Do you know in Philippines, if you disturb in church, there is something like that, you can be jail. Yes, it's serious thing. That's why I stopped to speak when I saw there is someone that. I don't know if I'm allowed to go in there, so I will not go. I will not take the risk because I don't know. Nice palm. Back to pollution, crowded city. Yes, I'm in Daraga. Because in Jovelar there is no restaurant. I cannot find rice. I can find only barbecue. Without rice. But I told them rice is life. They smiling. So now I will go to eat. So that's it. So I finished to eat. I'm in Legazpi City. Here is the city hall. I'm disappointed because last year they put many things for Christmas. This year already nothing. I don't know when they will do, because we are already 18 October. Maybe I will ask locals if they know. Some people play music. So I will have copyright, I cannot go there. But no light. Yeah, last year what they put, my gosh, like Disneyland. It's the most beautiful Christmas I saw in my life. That's why I'm back here now. I wanted to see. I check every week, but still not. Still not. I'm often pass by here, so I will check again. So that's all for today. Yes, it's noisy, it's a city. Look, all jeepney, all car. Yeah, I love Jovelar. I will go back. Maybe Saturday, let's see. So let's back home. Many things to do. Maybe walk again. So we'll sleep late. Tomorrow I get my iPhone. Thank you for watching.